Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna do gold analysis XAUUSD. Yesterday I did AUD USD analysis, raw analysis, nothing like no cuts. So I'm gonna do 0 to hero analysis on gold as well. So let's just have a real quick view on AUD USD, what's happening. So I'm still waiting for AUD USD to turn its gear to buy side. So what I'm expecting here, it's going to create some liquidity, then it's going to sweep all of these lows, and then from there I'll look for the real move. So this is my view on AUDUSD for now, but in this video let's just go to the gold real quick. XAUUSD. So we are going to start from monthly time frame, and on the monthly time frame let's just have okay, monthly time frame is nothing is clear, but the draw on liquidity could be this fair value gap here. This is gonna be a draw on liquidity, draw, or basically we can say bias on monthly time frame. So let's just go on weekly time frame now. On the weekly time frame, what I see is still there is no fair value gap here, and okay, this one was used. Okay, so on the weekly time frame, what I see, price already been to this fair value gap. Price action is actually very bearish, and this could be the target on weekly time frame because it's bearish now. So let me see. So I don't see anything else on weekly time frame. So let's just go on daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what's happening is, okay guys, this is the whole bearish leg. So price is actually very bearish, but price is not just gonna be like dropping from here. It can actually drop, but I don't think so because it should take some liquidity. It has fallen too much now, so I think price is gonna take some liquidity, maybe this low, I don't know, maybe it will just create some liquidity here, but we are gonna wait for price to sweep liquidity, then it's gonna shift its gear to bearish side, then I'm in this is the move I'm gonna hunt. But let's just see on, so daily time frame, what I see is this fair value gap has been already used. So now the liquidity could be residing above this high, or if we can, okay, let me mark it really good. So on the 4-hour time frame, let's go to 4-hour time frame. So what I see is price is actually playing around this area. Nothing is very much clear, guys. This is very, oh sorry, bullish, busy, it's called busy, like buy side liquidity. I mean, I don't know what is it called, full form. It's like this is a bullish for value gap. It's gonna, market is gonna have some reaction from here. So right now gold has nothing for me. I don't have anything on gold, but what I can do is I can wait for market to have some retracement, because this is the, basically this is the high and this is the low. So I'm gonna place my trade, sorry, I'm gonna place Fibonacci level to see where can I get some entries. Okay, this is the minimum 50% area where it's gonna, under this market is actually in super premium because market is bearish, right? And in this above a 50% zone, it's gonna be discount. So if market is gonna fall or go to that monthly fair value gap or take this weekly low, it should come to some what is it called, equilibrium, because this is where market is gonna take some breath, right? So if market comes to take this high, that's going to be pretty good because it will be coming to 0.62, which is actually a solid entry. If it goes more high, which I actually don't think so, but then it's going to be super good, then it will be giving us OTE entry 0.79. But let me just show you, so what I'm expecting is market to play around this area, around here, because okay, I'll show you the reason. See, market has already taken these highs, and it has already taken, swept this high. That means liquidity on above this high has already been taken. But below this, there wasn't any major highs that has been taken. So what market can do is it can form some liquidity here. It can retrace to this bullish fair value gap. Then from there, it can be bullish. It can play around this area, and then it'll take some liquidity, or it'll takes these highs, then sudden change in the gears, like it'll change its gear to bearish side, retrace a little bit here, we will hunt our entry, and from there, boom, it's going to be bearish. So this is my drawn liquidity on gold. Nothing much clear right now, neither, like everything is blue and red. I don't have any clear bias to trade today, so I'm not going to look onto these charts. But if we go on 4-hour time frame, and if you, like, I do low probability trades, I don't do that. This is not going to be high probability, but still, if I would have done the, like, if I needed to trade, and if I do low probability trade, then I'll show you how to do that. So on 4-hour time frame, liquidity has already been taken, and let's go on to the 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, price has came to this fair value gap, which is pretty solid for it to go bearish. And where is it gonna go? It's gonna go to this busy buy side, I don't know, if imbalance or something like that, that's what it's called. But if I would have ever taken a trade, I would be only looking for these lows, because these are the only major lows that market can actually take. And apart from that, look at this, guys. Market went to this bearish fair value gap on 1-hour time frame. After sweeping the highs, bearish fair value gap, price retraced. It came to this fair value gap. Then just from there, we are not just gonna buy, because look deeply. There is a bullish fair value gap a little bit. It can work. This fair value gap can work, and it can change whole gears, because markets draw right now is to go up. It's going for buys, like to the top highs. So what we could have expected from here, market to go bullish, but there was a new bearish fair value gap, and market is dropping. As soon as market breaks this low on 15-minute time frame, I could have easily taken the trade, and this could have been my target. Apart from that, let's just go on 5-minute time frame. This is gonna be inverse fair value gap, as if you guys know some concepts. This is inverse fair value gap, and if we go on 2-minute time frame, I'm just trying to look if I have gone like best entry. So guys, yep, this could have been a really nice entry around here. As we can see, 2-minute candle, look at this candle, how strong it is, and it has changed its gear under this candle. So as soon as price gets under here, or this is the super safe spot, someone could have, like, I could have easily gone in, and on 1-minute time frame, this is the perfect entry. As I show you, as you can see, price swept the highs, formed a bearish fair value gap, retraced back. It didn't actually come to the fair value gap, but it did come and touch this order block. Let me zoom so you guys can watch it clearly. It has came to this order block, and as soon as market hit this order block, we could have entered. Apart from that, as soon as market take the previous candle's high, which is going to be this candle, I could have easily entered around here. That means entry could have been here. Stop loss, safe stop loss is going to be around this high, but this is actually going to be like really good trade, so I could have easily placed my stop loss here. So this is how I trade. Let's just go on 15-minute time frame, and I could have easily gone 1:3.62, but in this trade, because it's fast, and if I do what is it called, scalping, then my entries are just like little late, like I just get filled little below. Okay, that means I would be only getting like 1:3 or something. So even though if I'm getting 1:3, that's still good, right? It's like $100 investment, $300 profit, so it's still good. And this is the trade. So guys, this is how I trade, but today I didn't take any. Oh my god, see, do you guys see this? This is live. I had shown you when price was actually like, price was literally around here, I guess. So now my target is gonna be below this. I mean, as soon as it hit this, I'm gonna be out of my market. And another safe thing, what you guys can do, or what someone can do, is like there is a new fair value gap. As soon as market comes to this fair value gap and takes some previous candle low or this low, I'm gonna put my stop loss on break even so I don't get out of the market. I don't know if it's gonna be win or loss because this nothing is 100%, guys. This game is a probability game, and the winning chances on this trade is just 70%, I would say, because it's actually a draw on liquidity. So I'll say this is 70%. This is not a plus setup. It's literally not. I can say it's a good setup, but it's not a plus setup. So let's just mark. Let's just say this is a B setup, okay? This is not an A plus setup. A plus setup would be when price go to this daily fair value, take some liquidity, form, change its gear on daily time frame, and then when it comes around this area, if we look for bearish entries from here, it's gonna be a plus setup, not here. This is not A plus setup. So on 15-minute time frame, but this is how I trade. I mean, this is low probability setup, but I still take it because chances are 70% of this trade to pan out. So this is how I like do my funded accounts and everything. So this is it. This is it on gold for now. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe button and like this video. I mean, comment in the comment section what do you want, what do you guys want to see, what analysis, if you guys want me to teach you the basics, how to read price action, how to watch these candles. If you're brand new in the stock market, just comment down that you want a full series of explanation how these candles work, what are charts, what are these pairs, how to trade, what are orders. I will explain everything. I just need your comments, that's it. So alright guys, this is all in this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.